This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download Grammarly. So I'm right here on the main download page for Grammarly, the popular text editing app. So I'm right here on grammarly.com/desktop. I will put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you can wind up here. So Grammarly for your desktop. There's a bit of blurb and information on this page if you want to check that out. But what you need to do is click on this big green button here for Get Grammarly. It's free. So there is a free version and there's also a paid version. Now, a few different ways to sign up. You can sign up via Google, so they make it super simple. You can sign up also through your Apple ID as well. If you already have an account, for whatever reason, maybe you have an old account, you can log in by clicking right here. And you can also sign up conventionally through a work or school email. So I'm going to click on continue with Google right now. And once you've actually logged in and signed up with one of those accounts, you'll be on a page similar to this where it says Docs. And we just have this kind of blank Spartan page right here. So you are now going to come down to apps on the sidebar right here. And we have these different options. So it knows that I'm on a Mac, which is correct. So we can install the Mac version right here, the desktop version. There's also an Android version, a version specifically for Google Chrome as a browser extension. That's quite handy as well. And it works great with Google Docs, as it says here. I use that quite a bit actually. And then we also have an iPad and iPhone version. So you can choose to install any one of these. Let's say I'm going for the desktop version right here. So we click on install and you see the icon just went flying up there. So depending on your browser, I have Google Chrome right here on a Mac, like I say, so that goes directly to my downloads folder. But your downloads location folder might be different depending on what browser you have. And so from there, you will just double click on the installer and install from there. So hopefully you have found this video on how to download Grammarly, how to find it, how to actually sign up and download the app useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.